Good morning, good morning, Daddy.
Good morning.
Hey, kapanin shopping kan kaldo na shopping turin chuanin lunch day kan leanga vo inchu kapahi lunch ka leyang che ka tiamo vo inchu kan video chu tiang vel tur chu ni kapate kan nute lalzawate I anpute an lalzawan now te song ha lunch ka lay sakvik do na vo inchu. It's my treating day. So we probably gonna eat Buffalo Wild Wings, right?
You guys, I'm gonna have a sandwich.
Yeah. So to tiang Buffalo Wild Wings kle kapain sandwich vel order nga chu kan pale nga chon kan lau hole kan te kan lau hu don cheu ni. Oh, see you later. Let's go to office order kan la don to food order ngin ai du mo. Kan stop zoi nga mo. Ala pot kop may pon vel po. Nalay kong pahinal kop may nuam ay kalaka video lang ayan nuam so kataka mo alang na tapani chu thingkung levur vel mo kapahi ay entir do na so in doctor actually do na mo. Uy, I'm taking this because I want to cook fish too. Oh, Valentine's Day rose, Daddy. No. Oh, roses. There's no price. This one $14.
Your favorite flower carnation?
This the one, right? No, they're not.
Oh, they're up. There are carnations there. How many do we need?
Hey, asparagus.
How many do we need?
Just two.
Two?
Yeah.
You sure?
Yeah. Asparagus. Look at that. I want to show them. $2. Andiamo asparagus. See? Oh, look at this. So big. Daddy. Alu ba ito? Kanilin oh. Daddy. Yeah. Vain cho kan build pack ni niya mo kay mani. Broccoli drum to pakat dollar niyang bel cho ni. I'm going to take broccoli. Hey, here radish.
Which broccoli?
Oh, this one is fine. I'll cut them off when we get home.
Just one?
Yeah. Because they get spoiled very fast.
Anything else?
Did people eat raw like this?
Those are beets.
Beetroot, right? Yeah. Why they come along with the leaf?
I don't know. You want that or bigger ones?
Or a bigger one. Oh, you know how to choose, huh? Okay. Same price, right?
Very like beets.
Beetroot. We can eat raw, right?
I don't think so. You have to cook them.
I think we can.
You might be able to eat them raw.
Yeah,
I don't
it's
know.
like
I've
a
never had
salad.
it raw.
Yeah.
3?
Yeah.
Good?
Yeah. Very good. Hey, artichoke Kanya. This one is artichoke. Right? What's this? Tomato, chilled tomato. That's weird. Have you ever tried? That's the weird tomato ever.
That's, yeah, some kind of Mexican tomato.
Yeah. Celery. Okay, which one will take celery? The short one or long one? Celery. Daddy, how do I know which one is bad and good?
Huh?
How will I know which one is bad or good?
Rotate. What's that?
Here's corn, but did you want more?
That's too small. Yeah. This one right here.
Oh, bigger one.
Yeah.
Hey, vai meme ready made in ta dollar khatle. Part 2 ni chu.
Can of black tea.
Black beans kan zong lang spring roll kan siam do na Sunday ah. Chu apple tur vel kan zong ni. Sauce frang pon lo ne ya. They have all kind of sauce, teriyaki, sesame seed oil. We still have sesame oil, soya sauce. When you buy soya sauce, you buy always this company, right? This is one of the best soya sauce in the world.
This one.
Yeah.
Yeah.
These brands are one of the best in
Yeah.
the world. They have all kind of noodles and fish sauce. Where is that coconut milk?
Right down there.
Oh, is it the one we have? No shaking. No shaking. No. Yeah, this one's shaking. Are they unsweet? Yeah, all of them unsweet. I think they're morely. What
They got
is
some
this
more over
rice,
in the other
Daddy?
place, too.
Huh?
They got more in the other.
Do you know
aisle,
what
the
kind of
big aisle.
rice is this? Bufay daw siya. He sang katleti man bake. Pakat ko mo India pisa. And he does mo atepon na ito. Noodles. Cup
That's the
noodles.
kind
Then now
we
na
eat.
yeah. Oh yeah, that's shrimp noodles. Yeah, once we go to Champagne, we will buy again. This this kind also tastes good. I used to have on the ship a lot because we can't cook. 2x kan lang. Yeah, these are all like this is the one like we have, but it's like a cup noodles. You just put hot water in it.
Yeah.
Spices.
You see anything we need?
Do we have this one? I don't know.
I don't think so.
Sesame seed. Mom like it a lot on our food, so yeah, we'll take it. If she have also, they can't get spoiled. So yeah, and they have also Caribbean barbecue,
What?
Parmesan garlic with Italian herbs.
Yeah.
Oh my god, it's so good or no?
I don't know. Tori, I don't know if Tori always gets a hot one.
Yeah, that's the one. No, this one. That's the one I have at home. I have a
Yeah.
lot. Do they have the hottest one? No, they don't have. Cranberry juice, the grape juice vel niya. Paladon cranberry juice si Zun Kong Chalaw Tan Cha ni mo. Okay. Oh, why so hard? Daddy, I'm taking this one for me. It's good for urine and stuff. Okay. Hey, black beans heat loam over 98 cents. So ni cuma dollar kat po ting lao ni chu. Black beans kan tihi kay ni na Mizoram ngi kan tiha.
Okay, on to the next.
Lacy lian, just very big. This one, it's like a party size. Let me bring here. Kan pedon siya, kan pa in empty na dam do in na makasway doon mo. Dal kalaya, dal. Sesame seed. Pineapple. Kalay ho reng reng hi mukbang mi tur niya lute. Yang tehi ka mukbang na mi tur. Ve kanya hi po ka mukbang na mi tur. Mukbang kesa ta broccoli po kalay mukbang na. Kasi mukbang hi po mukbang na to. Chicken. Yeah, I think it's a Valentine's Day balloon here. Ayan lang na ito. $2 10. Yeah. I don't have Valentine, so I'm not buying. Daddy, no Valentine, so I'm not buying.
Yeah.
Hey, here is the sheet. Hey, kanu beer to niya favor niya extra light niya to calories at lembo alcohol po 2.8 so nito at calories. Oh, the alcohol percentage is very less, only 2.8. Going to kay man ka pedo na turang so na makabak ka lang. How he can lay 10 niya. Johnny lay Valentine's Day special. Allow that. So may sang na lakot may. Dikhanin hilahi kan bilpek na tunta hehi apoy sazat katahan no long zela a chen tu so tapia de son mani a pek thei na te kha omta ma se e time bil kan siam du jok sia ho hun to a bil kan pe phot ang mo kan ho nga kan ho te mi la ka pa hi dam dai na ka swai don ni chu kan lo lang lai don ne kin o tam to he reduce ka to $96 so lo ni yan so ta so na beer ta ha kan lo pick up dem mo kay bill ka pek no van ta ka lo mo so trip to he last nan to hey ka favorite chewing gum ni hi oh Prito pa what to try this kan bill hi za som ni le pa nga ani mo dollar za som ni le pa nga India chuan sing sang qua về nị chú cần pek trùm lép rất nha cần lấy kem chia sẻ khóc mấy cần lâu lằng lẽ on kia nào cần hẳn cần phốt tăng nghe cần bazaar sầu chia cấp ba doctor appointment à cần cái lăng cho anh lunch cần hồ don see you later hey cần khen chia lại đầm đôi này cần cái đó nó hey cần nút hồ nó bul chian ta anh company thì mấy là hospital này tụi ta khai nòng với cái này chứ mà cần cần nó tụi lại hiện ta phải cấp ba hi cần xoay nghe doctor à cho anh hey chặt về chung wheelchair ôm tới hiện ý là cho hiện bạc thì ta nãy à also mà ý là cái bạc cho anh dollar hey wood ko bal to I think the snow is not even nice anymore because they're dirty now, right Daddy? The snow are dirty now, it's not even beautiful anymore, very dirty.
Okay, thank you.
About to tour.
Sure.
It's going to be $13.54 at the window.
Thank you.
What did she say?
Oh, they want you rounded up for
What is
the
wrong?
change. In other words, they get the change and they pay for tacos, or not tacos, but kids' education.
Take drinks niya. What do you call a wild strawberry?
Wild strawberry freezy.
Ka first time tour niya
Thank
kan
you. Have
kanu
a great
tacos.
day.
Thank you.
Hold that.
Kanu lunch kan keng do na we gonna bring lunch for Nana. Kanu te office ni hey.
Want me to hold it? You got it?
Putaran keng do se. Putar
Hey.
Putar going to give Peter food, right? Say
Tacos for
Daddy
Nana.
say Putar gonna give Peter food.
Putar is going to give Peter food.
Yeah.
I'm going to feed her.
Kahandu tangi oh.
So today she can have lunch.
Yeah. It's better than my snowman. Look at the nose.
Oh yeah,
Yeah.
How you doing today, honey?
Kanu khala buai lut to ka hi kan kal san le me ke mani lunch tur vel kan ba pick up ang mo. An ho ni me ui van nal sia ki. The sky is so beautiful. Blue and so beautiful. Hey, kapa favorite a sandwich store niya. Enang yo nge order don ni.
Jersey Mike.
Yeah, your favorite?
Yeah.
Let's go. Jersey Mike's hi sangkhat le zakwa le somnga paruka tanga umton ya US a hian mo an restaurant hi alrei to upato top tani chu chuanin kapa hian chicken wings ei ve dulo wangin hemi kol sandwich ang hi ka lei sak to na sei lian thakop me an siam lai vel hi kalola zoya kalola rozoya atui mel ro to ma se woksa ke ngai lo wangin cái trong cái về thì là ta mà sẽ mà hàng cái dấu vết thèn cái tia hi liền chắc khóc mẹ cho music anh đâu play xa copyright claim này để hiểu ổn về xa hạ tất cái video để cần xem về chuyện xa chú vàng cái rộn talk over này cho nên hệ lại đâu thuộc bài hi fail đó bác ang cái lapia nhà nên hi hospital đi chặt thấy đó bà khơi lâu cái rễ rằng nhà nên mình là welcome chặt cho nuam đó bà ní mò hey kan lei ka lei sak chu halim khop mai nui vor mai lom Buffalo Wild Wings sang kal to na chon kelai ka mulok cho hey kei tho ti mo so lai mi so shopping na tu nia rem chang ma se pera thum no nal tu te chon dollar tree po ma ti na kina kal don nia. Okay, what did you got now? You got all the food. What's inside?
4 boxes of chicken wings. Habanero, mango habanero.
Kan ho pa ta ka salai shopping ka chu ni danga rem chang ko sa bera kan ho thei ta a he ka thil en kha ka le sin de you see my tongue daddy
Huh? Hello. Oh, your tongue is red.
yeah hey
Oh, yeah. Yeah.
kan le so to a fu kan thil ai to te po kan ho do na e chak kam to ka join la so te po kan va pe nga join kamukbang chanela ke ilai hi chu video ka siam do nai lo en fik don nya mukbang in America tia khan bye bye chon dollar tree le I ke to ve hi chu rem chang kan kal le huna kala shop don shopping kala tinga video kala siam don nya bye bye fek le ka pai motor khan men je te no ni you gonna teach me how to drive on our way home No, Puter, you're not gonna teach me.
No.
That is Puter. What is mom?
Peter.
Say, kanu hi Peter dia. Peter le, Puter tro.
Yeah.
Say Peter le, Puter.
Peter le.
Puter.
Puter. Puter. Nee. Peter.
Oh my
Puter.
god. Oh my god. Are you happy your son buy you lunch today?
Yes.
Or your daughter-in-law?
Yes.
Okay.
Very nice.
Thank you. See you.
So nice. Thank you.
Yeah. Hey, lang sa hotel, anda iturkan pedona, lukro le, daddy.
Peter has Buffalo Wild Wings.